Captain Finn! Where's the water going?
That's a good question, Leo. It's pulling back. A lot.
Lifeguard to City Hall. I have an unusual situation at the beach. The ocean is receding significantly.
Thank you, Counselor. I'm looking at the budget overview right now. Please hold. I'm receiving an urgent message.
Receding?
Captain, are you sure it's not just a low tide? We've got the annual build-a-thon starting.
This isn't a normal tide, Mayor. It's pulling back unnaturally fast.
Look, Captain Finn! A giant anchor! Can we go see it?
No, Leo, stay close to me. This isn't right. We need to move away from the water.
A receding tide doesn't mean an emergency, does it? Just seems like an unusual natural phenomenon.
No storm warnings, no lunar anomalies. What's going on out there?
Whoa! This is so weird! But what a unique photo opportunity!
Attention, beachgoers. Please evacuate the immediate shoreline. Move to higher ground.
Just trust me, Leo. Everyone, quickly, head towards the promenade.
A seismic event? A tsunami? But that's impossible for Lego City! Oh my Lego! The ocean is G-on!
Mayor Mildred. It's here. Initiate full tsunami protocols now.
Evacuate! Everyone to the high-rise shelters immediately!
Tsunami! Get off the docks! Head for the elevator walkways! What is that?
Run! Get out of here!
Oh no, watch out!
It's so big!
Move! Don't look back! Just run!
My phone! No, forget it! Got a GO!
Leave it! Get to safety! Now! I'm abandoning the car! Let's go! Move it! We're fleeing on foot!
Let me through! Please!
Get to the high-rise, now! Move! I'm scared, Captain Finn!
Help! Help! I can't move!
Look out! It's coming right for us! Get clear of the docks! Get inside, Leo! Grab the door! We have to move now! Hold on tight! Up we go!
Any minifigures still in the lower districts? Find anything to float on!
Just a little further, Leo. We're getting to safety. it!
Attention all units. The beachfront is secure. I am authorizing immediate redeployment to the harbor. We need to secure the lighthouse.
Will Lego City be okay? We'll make sure it is, Leo. We always do.
We'll get you to safety. Just hold on.
Sector Gamma, 3 minifigures on the bookstore roof.
It's not over yet. Now the real work begins. The whole square is gone!
We have to keep moving.
The worst is over, little man. We're safe up here.
Casualty reports.
Damage assessment. This is going to be a long recovery.
Go get checked out, Brenda. I'll be here.
I can help too. I help too. I have to.
Mayor, we're secure here. Ready for deployment when the water fully recedes.
Excellent, Captain. Start sweep and search operations. We need eyes on the ground. Captain Finn, look! Over there!
Good eye, Leo.
Mayor, we have a possible survivor at coordinates 3 Alpha 7. Young Leo spotted them.
Careful with that beam. We need to shore this up before it gives way.
Every little bit helps, right? Let's get this city back! Good. Small steps, but progress.
We're not broken. Just building it back stronger.
We finally cleared the street! Woohoo! Great teamwork, everyone! You were right, Captain. Thank you for listening to your instincts.
We all did our part, Mayor. Lego City will rise again.
Look what we found! Perfect timing! Thank you both!
Let's move this beam now.